Well, in this topic, we will cover the miscellaneous concepts related to this module. Now, within this topic, I have just one thing left to discuss with you. That is the naming convention in case of methods. Now, in the previous module, we already covered the variables naming convention in Java. That is, we follow the CamelCase style and these are few of the rules. And here we have some examples. Now, in case of methods as well, we have some naming convention, and that convention is totally similar to that of the variables. That is, we follow the camel case style in case of methods as well, and also we follow all these three rules. But the only difference between the methods and the variable name is that in case of method, all the names should be a verb. It is actually the recommended approach. As for example, print, add, calculate. If you notice, all these three names are actually verb. Here within this method, I will expect to write a code to print out something. And here I will write a code to add two numbers or two strings or something like that. And then within the calculate method, we will have some code to calculate some result. Now similarly, we can be more specific, such as calculate the simple interest. So within this calculate simple interest method, we will only calculate the simple interest and return the result as per our requirement. And also we can have apply brakes, such as within this we can write code to apply the brake to the car. Now here we are following the convention of using the verb as names. But in Java, if you notice, we had something called string.length, our main function, and also we had scanner.nextInt method, nextFloat method, and so on, right? If you notice here, the length, main, and nextInt, all these three method name are not verb. But as per the convention, we said that all names should be verb. So why we have length, main, and nextInt which are not verb? Now in Java, we have few of the predefined methods that does not follow the naming convention. But if you look at the name of these methods, the length method simply states that it will return the length of the string. Similarly, the main method is self-explanatory as well. That is, it will be the entry point of our application. Similarly, the nextInt will actually look for the user input for the integer data type. That is, whatever data that user will enter next should be of the type of integer data type. So please don't get confused by looking at all these examples.